I will be doing 2 looks for you guys today on this video. Both looks will be smoked out, but they are going to be 2 different kinds of smoked out looks. If you guys are interested in any of these looks, stay tuned and keep on watching. And the first product I will be using is going to be this jumbo eye pencil from LA Color. Like this. So all you want to do is just start setting it in between your crease. And then bringing it down all over your lid. And I will be taking my Slayette palette from Bebella Cosmetics. And I will be using this brown shade first. I'm going in with this small detailed brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a name or a number, so I don't know which one it would be, but it looks like this. So then you just want to start setting it on top of this black eyeshadow and start blending it together in little small circular motions. Next color I will be applying is going to be this orange. I am applying this orange above the brown shade. What I like to do next is kind of wipe down my brush, take off all that extra shadow that we did use, and I'll just go back in and buff it out a little bit more so I can go ahead and blend out that demarcation line. Okay, so now that I have that blended out, I will be applying a little bit of black eyeshadow right here all over my lid. The liner that I will be using is from NYX Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Matte Black. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera and then go ahead and do my face off camera as well. And then I'll just come back and finish the bottom of my eye. So I will be applying the same eyeshadow pencil that I used at the very beginning. Smoke it out just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and take this orange. Dang, that highlight is popping in, girl. Last but not least, I will be taking my Pure Cosmetics highlight palette, and I'll be using this one for my inner corner. Alright guys, well this is all for this look. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, this look is pretty much, you know, for like a night out, going to a club, going to a dance, you know, whatever. You can pretty much pair this look with whatever. And always switch up the lipstick. You can go darker, you can go lighter. It's totally up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my second look. This look that I'm about to do is going to be more like a, it's still going to be like a smoky eye look. It's going to be more like a laid back smoky eye look, if you guys know what I mean. So if you guys want to see the other look, stay tuned. Okay, so I went ahead and did this side as well. So I switched it up, but it's still a more natural smoky look. So to achieve this eye look, I will be taking this jumbo eyeshadow pencil again. This time you won't go ahead and bring it down. You're just going to keep it right here strictly in your crease. So I'll be taking this orange. And then I'll go ahead and be taking this light brown. Okay, so now that I have it blended to where I want it to be blended to, I am going to go ahead and take the brown shadow. I'll just go ahead and apply it right here in the outer corner. So once I have that smoked out a little bit, I will be applying this gold. So then you do want to go ahead and take your brush that you used to smoke out the outer corner with the brown shadow, and whatever you have left with the excess, you can go ahead and go back and then just blend it out a little bit better with that gold. I will will be taking the eyeliner, the same one that I used in the first look. You don't want to go ahead and draw the eyeliner too long, just because you don't want the eyeliner to take the look away from the eyeshadow that you just created. Go ahead and show you guys the lashes that I will be applying. In my last look, I didn't show you guys because I didn't know the name or anything. Like, I don't even remember where I bought them. But these are from lidlush.com, and they're more like a sexier, softer look kind of lash. And these are in the box number 6 from lidlush.com. They look like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my face off camera, and then I'll be back and show you guys what I'm going to do under my eyes. For my waterline, the only color that I will be taking is going to be this orange. Not adding no black eyeliner or anything like that. So as you guys can see, I did pair it with a dark lipstick, and in reality you guys don't even have to pair it with like a bolder lipstick. That's just me. Like I said, you guys can always pair it with a nude lipstick, with a red lipstick, whatever color you guys want, and it would still look really pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed these 2 looks, and I hope you guys learned something from these 2 looks. So if you guys want to keep seeing more looks like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys.